సార్ ఇందాక మాట్లాడుతున్నప్పుడు దిస్ క్యాన్ బి అ రా డంబ్ అండ్ మేబీ స్ట్రైట్ క్వశ్చన్. AI, will it replace the jobs? Did it replace any kind of a job in Cyient?
It doesn't replace any, it displaces people. That's what it does. It is not only AI, I keep saying technology itself does that. And I have a very classic example of mine. New York lo, Fifth Avenue lo, ఒక vantage point నుంచి 1905 లో ఒక ఫోటోగ్రాఫ్ తీశారు.
ఓకే.
ఫిఫ్త్ అవెన్యూ స్ట్రీట్, ఇట్స్ ఎ ఫెయిర్లీ వైడ్ స్ట్రీట్ అనమాట.
I know that, yeah.
ఓకే, పైనుంచి కింద చూస్తే మీరు మొత్తం ఈ హార్స్ డ్రాన్ బగ్గీస్ ఉంటాయి.
రైట్.
ఒక కార్నర్లో ఒక చిన్న కారు ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, 10 ఏళ్ల తర్వాత అదే వాంటేజ్ పాయింట్ నుంచి మళ్ళీ ఫోటో తీశారు. 1-2 హార్స్ డ్రాన్ బగ్గీస్ ఉంటాయి, తక్కినవన్నీ కార్లు. నేను దాని తర్వాత కంక్లూడ్ చేస్తే ఏంటంటే, we did not kill all the horses.
True.
The horsemen did not go starving. What did they do? They learned new skills. This could be a very raw example I'm giving you, but exactly the same situation prevails with automation also right now.
Yes.
What will happen, Andy? The skill level will be changing. It will continuously change. It won't wait for too long. What we will see is that on a continual basis, you have to upskill yourself, you have to reskill yourself.
Good.
And here is something which I just now talked to you about medicine. I'll talk to you about knowledge. Knowledge also can be customized. నేను NASSCOM chairman ఉన్నప్పుడు 2017లో we introduced a new platform called Future Skills.
Okay.
It's working right now. Future Skills platform it's called. All of us and a company also use. And there's an AI engine in the back end which actually estimates what's your learning capability and make sure the content that gets delivered to you is different from content delivered to me.
Wow.
I may be a slower learner compared to you. So you get your content faster rather than me. Ade meeru, you can now imagine in this situation a classroom. Classroom la jaragadu kada, టీచర్ అందరికి ఒకటే చెప్పాడు చదువు. 60 మందికి ఉంటే కొంతమంది నేర్చుకున్న వాళ్ళకి అదే చెప్పాడు, నేర్చుకున్న వాళ్ళకి అదే చెప్పాడు. Whereas you look at the computer now, where it is basically your capability which is then driving it to build the capacity with you.
As per our requirement. Nice.
So therefore, automation, you should not be worried, Andy. It is displacing people. I will say loudly, it displaces everywhere. Low-end jobs which are repeatable, they'll be taken. But then you skill yourself higher, newer jobs are coming. Right. You can get better jobs.
Right.